So back at JS Fiddle in a brand new project, though a very simple one as you can tell. I do have my paragraph where I output a title, and the title is simply as Hello World here. So pretty much the same as we had in the first module, just different text and a little bit leaner, no event as of now, because what I want to start with is this connection between this Vue instance and this HTML code. I already explained that we have this kind of connection, but there is one important thing to understand, which I want to highlight right now. By creating this new Vue.js instance there, and note that we don't store it in any variable, it is still created though. By instantiating this instance, we do create this connection, and Vue.js then takes this HTML code up there and creates a template based on that code. And this is important to understand. Vue.js does not, at runtime, use our HTML code and have these commands in our HTML code. You can actually see this. If we inspect this hello world text here, then you see that here, of course, we only have hello world. We don't see any curly braces. We don't see any other code which was added by Vue.js. No hidden hint that there would be some magic going on. Nothing at all. Vue.js creates a template based on our HTML code, stores that internally, and then basically uses this template to create the real HTML code, which then is rendered as the DOM. This is important to understand because this allows us to use template syntax like that, and like all the other things I will teach you throughout this course, in the HTML code we write, because it's not the one running in the browser in the end. There is this layer in the middle, and this layer is the Vue.js instance, which takes our HTML code, creates a template, renders this template by, for example, entering the title here, and then outputs the final HTML code which gets rendered here. You might have been aware of that already, but if not, this is really important to understand why we're able to write the code as we do up here on the top left corner. With that out of the way, let's dive deeper into how we can interact with the DOM through this template approach by using Vue.js.